Hey friends, if you happen to encounter this error, Roblox error code 268 kicked due to an unexpected client behavior, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix this. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to close the Roblox application. So if you encounter the error, close the Roblox windows first and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. So if you restart your computer, this will refresh the system processes of your Windows. So if that helped you fix the issue, then good. But if not, then move to the next methods. Next method is we need to clear the Roblox folder. So press the Windows key and R button together. Here type percentage local up data percentage and then click on OK. Then here you need to look for the Roblox folder. So if you find the Roblox folder right here, what you'll have to do, right click and then select delete. And once you have deleted the Roblox folder, see if the problem has been fixed. Next method is we can also delete the temporary files of our Windows by pressing the Windows key and R button together again to open the run window. Then here what you'll have to do is you just need to type temp and click on OK. So these are the temporary files of your Windows. Click one folder and then click on Control. It's Control plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Do this for all the current times and just click on skip. Once done, close this window. Next method is we can also clear the browser cookies. So open a browser. I'll go with the Chrome browser. Then you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. Click on that. This is to customize and control the browser, the Google Chrome browser. Scroll down and look for the gear-like symbol, which is the settings. You have to click on that. On the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data. So here we have the basic and the advanced. Click on the advanced. The time range, change that to all time. Because if you choose the all time, this will summarize all of these options like the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and last 4 weeks. So might as well choose all time. Check all of these boxes except for passwords and other sign-in data and also the autofill form data. And finally, click on delete data. Still on the left pane, look for reset settings. Restore settings to the original defaults and then click on reset settings. Now once done, close this window. Then we can also temporarily disable the antivirus of our Windows because this can block or can cause conflict for the application. So click on this show hidden icons on your taskbar. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the Malwarebytes or the McAfee, what you'll have to do is you just need to make a right click on that and then select exit or quit. And that will temporarily disable the third-party antivirus. The same for the Windows security, click on that. Then click on the virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Then here you need to disable the real-time protection. So once you have disabled the real-time protection, see if the problem has been fixed. Then if it is fixed, then what you have to do is you need to enable this again. Next method is we can also run some commands that is through the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, search for CMD, best match command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Here, just follow me for the commands. It's IP config space / flush DNS. Hit on Enter. Next command, NTSH space winsock space reset and hit on Enter. Next command, ipconfig space / release. Hit on Enter. And the last command, it's ipconfig space forward slash renew and hit on enter. Once done, just type exit, enter, and then make a restart of your Windows by right-clicking at the start button, shutdown or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Then for the last method is we are going to uninstall the application and then reinstall it again into our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane, what you'll have to do, click on apps, installed apps. Then here, you need to look for the Roblox. So kindly search for that in the search bar. Then click on this three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. So once you have uninstalled the application right here, uninstall and then uninstall once again, then we need to reinstall the application in the browser. So open your favorite browser. It could be Edge, Chrome, or Firefox, or any browser that you like. In the search bar, just type for Roblox download. Then here you have the first option, www.roblox.com. Download Roblox. Click on that. Then here, download for Windows app. Once you have downloaded the installer file, double click on that. And then simply close this window. Now this is currently installing Roblox, so just wait for that. And now we have just reinstalled the Roblox application into your Windows. So just simply click on sign in to sign in with your Roblox account and continue on playing the game. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.